Subscribe for more travel tips and language lessons. Hit the like button and share with friends. Hello, traveler. A little chat about safety. Traveling connects us with cultures and gives us unforgettable memories. But, like in any adventure, it's key to be ready for the unexpected. It's not about being scared, but about knowing how to ask for help if you need it. This small guide will help you learn useful phrases in Spanish for emergencies. A few words can make all the difference. Let's go. Palabras que salvan vidas. Words that save lives. In moments of crisis, clear communication can make all the difference. This is especially true when you're in a foreign country or interacting with someone who speaks a different language. Vocabulario Esencial de Emergencia. Essential emergency vocabulary. This chapter is designed to equip you with the fundamental Spanish words and phrases needed to navigate emergency situations effectively. Memoriza estas palabras. Memorize these words. Repetition and familiarity are key. The more comfortable you are with these terms, the quicker you'll be able to recall them when you need them most. Ayuda, help. A simple word, but incredibly powerful. It's your first line of defense when you need assistance. Emergencia, emergency, a situation demanding immediate action. Recognizing and declaring an emergencia is crucial. Policia, police, the authority to contact when a crime has been committed or public safety is at risk. Ambulancia, ambulance, your lifeline for medical emergencies requiring immediate transport to a hospital. Bomberos, firefighters, the brave individuals who combat fires and rescue people from dangerous situations. Hospital, hospital, the place to go for medical treatment, diagnosis, and care. Knowing this word can guide you or someone else to safety. Para pedir ayuda, to ask for help. Ayuda, help. Or tengo una emergencia, I have an emergency. These phrases are direct and universally understood. Para salud, for health. Médico, doctor, doctor. The professional you need to see when you're feeling unwell or injured. Dolor, pain. Describing the sensation you're experiencing is vital for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Accidente, accident. An unforeseen event that causes damage or injury. Reporting an accidente accurately is essential. Peligro, danger. Recognizing and avoiding peligro is paramount for your safety and the safety of others. Frases clave, key phrases. These are the building blocks for effective communication in critical situations. ¿Dónde está el hospital? Where is the hospital? A crucial question when seeking medical attention. Me duele aquí, it hurts here. Pointing to the specific location of your pain helps medical professionals understand your condition. Llame a la policía, call the police. A direct instruction to someone nearby to summon law enforcement. Necesito ayuda, I need help. A clear and concise way to signal your distress and request assistance. No entiendo, I don't understand. Acknowledging a language barrier is the first step to finding a solution. No temas pedir que hablen más despacio. Don't be afraid to ask them to speak more slowly. Clear communication is more important than pride. La honestidad y claridad salvan tiempo. Honesty and clarity save time. Providing accurate information is crucial in an emergency. Practica estas frases en voz alta. Practice these phrases out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in using them. Knowing who to call is the first step to solving an emergency. Research the country's emergency number before you travel and save it. When you call, say, Necesito a la policía, I need the police. Ambulancia, ambulance, bomberos, firefighters, and your location. Use simple phrases. Estoy en la calle, número. I'm on street, number. If you don't understand, say, No entiendo. Por favor, hable más despacio. I don't understand, please speak more slowly. Give your name. Me llamo. My name is... Don't hang up until they tell you to. Communicate the essential information calmly and clearly. A medical emergency can be scary when you're far from home. To ask for an ambulance. Necesito una ambulancia, por favor. I need an ambulance, please. This is what you say when you need an ambulance to come help you. Describe symptoms. Me siento mal. Mareado, I feel sick, dizzy. Use me siento mal if you feel generally unwell, and mareado if you feel dizzy or lightheaded. Me duele la cabeza, my head hurts. Me duele means it hurts me, and la cabeza is the head. Tengo dolor en el estómago. I have pain in my stomach. Tengo means I have, and dolor en el estómago means pain in the stomach. Tell them about allergies or conditions. Soy alérgico a. I'm allergic to. Use this phrase to tell doctors or paramedics about your allergies, like to certain medicines or foods. Tengo diabetes, asthma. I have diabetes, asthma. This helps medical staff understand your health history quickly. Keep this information written down in Spanish. Example: Doctor, ¿qué síntomas tiene? What symptoms do you have? You: tengo fiebre y tos. I have a fever and a cough. Síntomas means symptoms, fever is fever, and tos is cough. Getting ready with these phrases will help you get quick care. Discovering you've been robbed is a terrible feeling. It's a moment filled with shock, disbelief, and a sense of violation. Your heart races, and your mind struggles to process what has just happened. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed and vulnerable in this situation, but it's crucial to try and remain calm. Take a deep breath, or several, if you need to. Panicking won't help you think clearly or take the necessary steps to resolve the situation. Focus on regaining your composure. Your immediate priority should be to find a safe place. Move away from the location where the theft occurred, especially if you feel threatened or unsafe. Find a public area, a shop, or any place where you feel secure and can gather your thoughts. Once you're in a safe location, head to the nearest police station as soon as possible. When you arrive, approach the front desk and say, "I would like to file a police report for a robbery. Quiero hacer un denuncia." Be polite and clear in your request. Clearly and concisely explain what happened. Provide as much detail as you can remember, even if it seems insignificant. For example, you might say, "Fui atracado en el metro." I was robbed on the subway. It happened while I was... Carefully list all the items that were stolen. Try to be as specific as possible. For instance, my passport, mi pasaporte, credit and debit cards, mis tarjetas de crédito y débito, and approximately amount in cash, aproximadamente en efectivo. If you saw the thief, provide a detailed description including their height, build, clothing, and any distinguishing features. If you didn't see them, simply state, "I did not see the person who robbed me. No pude ver la persona que me atracó." It's very important to request a copy of the police report for your records. Ask politely, "Could I please have a copy of the report for my insurance claim and other necessary procedures? ¿Me puedes dar una copia del reporte, por favor?" Remember, your safety and well-being are the most important things. Material possessions can be replaced, but your personal security is paramount. Getting ready is your best friend for a safe trip. Before you go on your adventure, take time to plan every little thing. Look up your destination, from the weather to what people usually do there. Think about what could go wrong and how to stop it. A trip that's planned well means fewer bad surprises. Make copies of your important papers, like your passport, visa, travel plan, and hotel bookings. Keep the paper copies in different places than the real ones and also save them safely online. This way, if you lose the real ones, you'll still have the important information. Think about scanning your papers and emailing them to yourself for extra safety. Learning a few basic phrases in Spanish can make a big difference in your experience. Start with polite phrases. Por favor, please. This is a polite way to ask for something. Gracias, thank you. You say this to show you are thankful. Disculpe, excuse me. You can use this to get someone's attention or to apologize. These simple words can open doors and make talking with local people easier and more positive. Practice your Spanish before and during your trip. Even a few words will help you feel more connected to the culture and the people. Every talk, no matter how small, builds your confidence. Don't worry about being perfect. Trying is what counts. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of learning. The important thing is to talk and connect with the people you meet on your journey. Traveling is a gift. Get ready ahead of time and enjoy every moment of this amazing adventure. Being ready for emergencies, whether with a first aid kit or knowing local emergency numbers, gives you freedom and peace of mind to explore the world with confidence. Remember, this information is only for teaching and telling you things. Always check with official and expert sources for specific travel safety information. Enjoyed this guide? Subscribe for more language tips and travel advice. Safe travels.